Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a vital component for anyone using Zebra ZQ620 or QLN320 thermal barcode label printers. The Kaibentex Flex Cable, specifically model P10-51831PT0-21438A. This isn't just a simple replacement part. It's engineered to significantly enhance your printer's performance and reliability. The Flex cable is the backbone of your printer's communication, and the Kaibentex version promises high compatibility and exceptional flexibility. This means it's designed for a perfect fit in your Zebra ZQ620 or QLN320, ensuring a straightforward installation. Its inherent flexibility also contributes to its overall durability, allowing it to withstand the constant demands within the printer without faltering. A key benefit highlighted by the manufacturer is its good stability. This cable is designed to ensure your printer operates smoothly, even in challenging environments, effectively eliminating common issues like jamming or printhead offset. Imagine consistently smooth, perfectly aligned labels every single time without the need for constant troubleshooting. This level of consistent performance is crucial for businesses that rely on accurate and timely barcode generation. Furthermore, the Kaibentex Flex cable is engineered for precise printing. This precision comes from high-quality, special materials, resulting in high printing accuracy and remarkably low fault tolerance. For barcode labels, accuracy is paramount. Even a minor error can lead to scanning failures, operational delays, and ultimately, impact your workflow. With this cable, users can expect crisp, clear barcodes and text, ensuring every scan is successful on the first attempt, boosting efficiency. Durability is another significant advantage. Kaibentex emphasizes that their components are less prone to damage, which directly translates to a longer lifespan for your printer's critical functions. This extended durability means fewer replacements, reducing both downtime and overall cost expenditure. In a busy operational setting, investing in a part that not only performs flawlessly, but also lasts longer is a smart decision, providing consistent, reliable output over an extended period. Finally, Kaibentex supports its product with professional customer service. This offers considerable peace of mind for buyers. Knowing that a dedicated team is available to answer questions or assist with any issues post-purchase adds a layer of confidence, indicating a company committed to customer satisfaction. In essence, for those seeking to optimize their Zebra ZQ620 or QLN320 thermal barcode label printer, the Kaibentex P10-51831PT0-21438A Flex cable presents itself as a highly compelling choice. Its focus on compatibility, stability, precise printing, and long life, combined with reliable customer support, makes it an excellent investment for maintaining efficient and error-free printing operations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.